Painter YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be painting these front end parts on this Bentley GT3R. Check it out. Pretty much what we have here is the front end, the bumper, grille, and then the two fenders. I'm going to show you guys how to get these fenders looking clean, smooth as a glass, mirror finish from the get-go. I know there's a such thing as like a piano finish where you'll paint it and then you'll flat out the clear and then you do a flow coat where you just do the clear and it comes out super clean, super glossy, super wet. But we're gonna achieve that on the first go with these brand new parts. These are plastic, and then just new metal parts with the e-coat. And first thing we're gonna do on everything, I'm gonna apply my dark gray sealer. So I use my Tecna Pro Light for applying my sealer. It's a 1.4 and we'll be spraying this pretty high. I spray it about 32 psi. Basically what we want to do, each layer we apply to the parts, we want to apply them as smoothly as possible. So it all starts from the sealer because that's the first thing we're laying on here. So you want to make that sealer super clean, super smooth. So then each layer that we build up upon the sealer, the base coat, two coats, and then our clear coat, each one builds texture. So the smoother we keep each layer, the smoother our final product is going to be. All right, our sealer is finally dry, looking good. Check out all the parts. Very nice, very smooth, looks like. So first layer and our layers is coming out very nice. Laid out smoothly, pretty much lay out your sealer how you want your final product to look, nice and smooth. I know some people will just spray it just to get it on the panel, not really considering the pressure or the distance they're at and the overlap they're doing. You want to make it wet and smooth. Once it dries, it becomes a nice, beautiful undercoat for our base coat to lay down on. So same thing with the base coat. We're gonna do our two coats. I used the Vilbis Tecna Pro Light, and it's a 1.3 TE20 cap. And this guy we're gonna be spraying at 20 psi. Between 18 and 20 I spray my base coat. All right, our base coat is dry. We did our 2 coats. It's just a solid black, no metallic, and looking very good. Ready for clear coat. Check it out. Also looking smooth, not too textured, not too orange peely. We did nice wet coats to get that smooth finish. When you kind of back off from the panel or do overspray light coats, it tends to build up extra texture. So doing nice, heavy, uniform, even coats is gonna give you that smoother finish. As I was saying, each layer you do is gonna keep adding more texture. So the smoother you keep each layer, the smoother your clear coat is gonna lay out and look like glass. I'm gonna be using my Iwata W400. This is W400 LV4 1.3 tip. I sprayed at 28 psi, and I like to churn the fan in 2 churns, 2 full churns on the fan. So all the way open and then 2 churns in, 28 psi. And very important when you're spraying clear coat, spray your first coat of clear like it's your last coat. I know some people, to avoid runs or whatnot, they'll kind of do a mist coat or a tack coat and then do your 2 normal coats, but that's gonna create that orange peel that you're trying to avoid. So first coat, lay it out smooth like butter, super wet, evenly, get all the edges, pretend like it's your one and only coat that you're gonna apply, and then do the same with the second coat. So first coat, we're gonna ham it on. Second coat, we're gonna do the same, and then we're gonna achieve that super clean finish, I believe. Let's do it. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. This GT3R is looking spotless, just like it did when it was brand new. If you're new to my channel and you like this kind of content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also, if you like this video and me painting the Bentley and showing you guys the whole process, don't forget to leave me a comment and a thumbs up. That's gonna be it for this video. We'll catch you on the next one.